What obvious thing did you recently realize? 1. That birds don't live in nests. Nests are just where they keep their eggs. Birds just sleep in trees. 2. That boxer shorts are the style of shorts that boxers wear. 3. When getting an eye exam you are asked which looks better, 1 or 2. If they are identical or too close to call, you have a third option. The same. They never told me that. 4. Soft drinks are called soft drinks BC, they don't contain alcohol. Hard drinks do. 5. Will Smith and Jada Smith named their kids after themselves. Jaden Smith and Willa Smith. Why I never put that together is beyond me. 6. That if I put my phone in a bright yellow case I'll spend significantly less time wandering around my apartment muttering, "Where the fuck did I set my phone?" 7. Eminem calls himself Eminem because his name is Marshall Mathers. 8. You do not have to make the entire box of pasta all at once. 9. 2020 wasn't 2 months ago. 10. Birds don't pee. That's why their poop is liquid. 11. A couple years ago I realized